Chalo, we have seen last four examples which are very small scale level, and we were find out that how can we find out that the goods which are burned out by the fire. Okay, there were very small kind of sums we have learned. Now today we will learn the sum of university's exam. Okay, so November 2017's exam, this sum was asked, and we will find out the solution of this example. Okay, so the example and the solution will be given to the telegram group, and here we continue that how to calculate particular sum. Okay, so now in the form of example, on the date of 31st March 2010, a godown was destroyed due to fire, and the product burned of the Mehta brothers. Okay, so first of all we identify and clarify the particular example. Okay, here we have given that on 1st January 2010, a godown was burned out due to fire. Okay, because our chapter is insurance fire insurance policy. Okay, so from the following information find out the amount of claim against the insurance policy. Okay, so there is go down over there, and it was burned due to fire, and all kind of goods were burned, and the relevant information is given in the following table. See, there are four kinds of different years given here as shown: 2010, 2009, 2008 and 2007. It means before 3 years data given in this particular sum. Okay, like opening stock, net purchase, net sales, wages and closing stocks. So these are the particulars, and we consider that what was the closing stock at the time of burning when fire occurs in the godown. Okay, closing stock valued at 10% less than the actual cost. See, it is very important factor that we have to calculate at a time of solution. Okay, again I repeat, closing stock valued at 10% less than actual cost. It means the closing stock mentioned in the table value, it is 10% less. So we have to prepare actual cost from the 10% less cost. It means 10% cost less, it means 90%. Okay, suppose the actual cost is 100 minus 10% cost. So 100 minus 10, it means 90. So the amount given in the opening stock in the particular table, it is considered as 90% stock. So we have to transfer from 90 to 100%. Okay, so first of all we need to convert this kind of amount. Okay, and then we have to prepare previous year's trading account. See, again I repeat that on the date 31st January 2010, the fire was occurred in particular godown, and previous 3 years data 2009, 8 and 7 was given here. So first of all we need to prepare previous year's trading account, and then we have to prepare the actually burn year's account that we have trading account. Okay, so first of all we need previous year's trading account and then transferred into the year in which the fire was occurred. Okay, so first we have to create 2007, 8 and 9 years trading account, and then with the different kind of calculation we have to transform into 2010. Clear? Okay, now we calculate that the cost value which is given here 10% less. So we have to make 10% less to equal. Okay, so first of all see the table 2007, 8, 9 and 10, the opening stock are given. It means it is as 90%. So we have to convert them into 100%. Okay, so we will start. So first of all the calculation, valuation of stock. Okay, so every here we have to consider. Okay, see the opening stock of 2007 that we have to consider. Okay, 90% and 100%. Okay, so the 2007, see I have taken here 90% because of there is instruction given here that the cost price is less than 10%. Okay, it means the actually cost mentioned at is normal price or actual price 100%, but here 10% less, so we have to convert from 90% to 100%. Okay, so in 2007 what was the price? See, 27,090. What was the actual cost that we have to find? Calculate the amount 30,900. Okay, so this is the first calculation of 2007. Same calculation we have to consider for 2008, 9 and 10. Okay, so carry on. 2008, 90% to 100%. What is the opening stock value of 2008? 32,400. And the final value that we get 36,000. Okay, so here is the second opening stock that we have calculated for 2008. Now 2009, 90 to 100. Therefore, what is the opening stock of 2009? 36,000. What was the price that we get? 40,000. Okay, and last in 2010, the year of fire occurs. Okay, so the value given here 36,900, 90 to 100, while what is the price given here? Okay, 36,900. It means what was the price as calculated? 41,000. Okay, so here is the main calculation that we have to consider in mind, because there is instruction given here that the actual cost price is not mentioned, but instead of actual cost we have given here 10% less price. So first of all we have to convert 90% to 100%, because 90% is considered because the price is 10% less. Okay, so it is very important factor that you have to consider. Now with this particular amount those we have received, when we preparing trading account of the previous year 2007, 8 and 9, we have to consider a new value which is arrived from different kind of calculation. Okay, so we have to consider 30,900 instead of 27,900. Same way we have to consider in 2008 years 36,000 instead of 32,400. Okay, so now it is very important to understand that what are the process that we have to consider. Okay, now in the second part we will consider the 2007, 8 and 9 years trading account, and with the help of those particular trading account we will consider that what kind of ratio that we have to apply into 2010. Okay, again I repeat, the fire occurs in 2010. Clear? Before this year we have given 3 years data. So with the help of 3 years data we will find out the actual rate of gross profit. Which amount which will get at the end of calculation, it will apply into the year of 2010, in the year of fire. Clear? So now in the second part we will continue the trading account of different 3 years, 2007, 8 and 9, and then we calculate the 2010 years trading account. Okay, it means the year in which the fire occurs. Okay.